these visuals coming in of all the stars that have voted through the course of the day. Kareena Kapoor, you can see her there. She voted this afternoon. Right in the morning was Akshay Kumar, Sachin Tendulkar, Farhan Akhtar, Saif Ali Khan accompanying his wife there. And Ritwik Bhalekar was back with us. Ritwik, you know, while most of the stars and celebrities came in the morning, the last 1 hour left for voting, and you see Shah Rukh Khan with his entire family coming in to cast his vote.
Yes, absolutely. So most of the celebrities and Bollywood stars are exercising their right of voting, and we can see that even though there's Mumbai is showing a dismal performance in voting pattern as compared to the recent Lok Sabha elections held, many celebrities are making it a point that they are coming out for vote and they are getting clicked, they are getting inked, and they are also trying to appeal and ask people to come out to vote, especially Mumbaikars who does not look too keen, because it's just not even crossed 40% of the voting turnout, and it's just a few hours left. I mean, only half an hour left from now, but it was expected, because as compared to Lok Sabha elections, we could see how Election Commission had made a very good arrangements this time. They had provided good facilities for the voters this time after several complaints in recent Lok Sabha elections held. But still, we could see that Mumbaikars have not voted the way they should have.
Well, Mumbaikars haven't voted the way they should have. It's more subdued than even the 2024, voting turnout, and that's really not a good thing. Last half hour, Mumbai, if you're listening to us, please go out and vote for democracy. Last half hour, chosen by the entire Khan Khandan. You have Shah Rukh Khan there with his wife and his 2 children, and coming out to vote in the last dying hour of polling there. While all other celebrities, we saw them vote through the course of the day, but Mumbai has seen, like I said, a very subdued, or a rather abysmal voter turnout, even compared to 2024 Lok Sabha. Meanwhile, Maharashtra is voting across the numbers that are coming in, not as promising as they should be, but where celebrities are concerned, this is what Mumbai looked at like. From Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Kareena Kapoor, Arjun Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor, Ananya Pandey, Rohit Shetty, we had Sunil Shetty, Shraddha Kapoor, Madhuri Dixit, Sachin Tendulkar. It was a star-spangled sky when it came down to celebrity turnout coming out to vote this election. And right in the end, the superstar walks in, Shah Rukh Khan with his family. It's just the last half hour which is left for polling where Mumbai is concerned.
Maharashtra election day saw superstar turnout in Mumbai. From the young guns to Bollywood veterans, they all turned out to cast their ballot. One of the first celebrities to vote was Akshay Kumar.
आज यही है कि सब लोग आएं वोट करें. That is the most important.
Ranbir Kapoor and Kartik Aaryan also exercised their franchise. Both were dressed in classic white.
To come and vote, so please vote, and if you haven't, it's open till, especially the Palial place is open till 8 p.m. So please come and cast your vote.
Ritesh Deshmukh, whose brothers Amit and Dheeraj are contesting for the Maha Vikas Aghadi, struck a confident note. He was accompanied by his wife and actor Jenny Leon.
जो भी मतदार है वो पहली बार मतदान करने वाले मैं उनसे गुजारिश करता हूं कि वो भारी संख्या में, भारी मात्रा में बाहर आकर वोट करें. अपना जो हक है वो आज निभाएं, अपने राज्य के लिए अर्पण करें.
आज का दिन जो है वो वोटिंग के हिसाब से है, तो जो गरीब है, जो भी है, यंग ओल्ड जो भी है, वोट करना जरूर है.
Rajkumar Rao was also among the early voters who cast his vote at the Gyan Kendra Secondary School polling booth in Mumbai. Sibling duo Farhan Akhtar and Zoya Akhtar flaunted their inked fingers, encouraging others to step out and vote.
You are privileged to be able to vote. You should get out and take it. And if you don't do it, then don't complain.
Veteran writer Gulzar was accompanied by his filmmaker daughter Meghna.
आम आदमी हमारा वो सब जानता है, सब पहचानता है, अपनी ज़रूरत समझता है। अब मुझे उम्मीद है कि वो इस बहकावे में नहीं आएगा और उसी को वोट करेगा जो उसका अपना इशू है।
Sunil Shetty and John Abraham looked dapper as they participated in the Festival of Democracy.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Actor Sonu Sood appealed to citizens, asking them to come and vote and not treat Election Day as a holiday.
Thank you so much.
कई साल शिकायत करते रहते हैं हमारे देश में ये नहीं वो नहीं, तो आई थिंक ये जो हक आपको दिया गया है एज एन इंडिविजुअल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू वोट।
BJP MP and actor Hema Malini was accompanied by her daughter Isha. Actor and BJP leader Paresh Rawal also cast his vote. Ali Fazal, Govinda, Ravina Tandon, Tushar Kapoor were also spotted queuing up at the polling booths. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
Once again, if you're in Mumbai, it's registering what it does. Practically every election, apathy when it comes down to voting, urban apathy at its best and saddest. If you are there, it's the last final half hour. Go out and cast your vote. Earn your right to crib. Get your finger ring.